Here afternoon Philippines. And here again in school. Hello, ate. Good morning. I just dropped the kids. I'll go direct to the grocery. Hello.
Okay na?
Nandun na si
Sila doon.
down lang siya. Nagutom ano. I need to go to the grocery. I need to buy what I need today. I just came from school to drop the kids. I go direct to the mall. Seeing the weather is so hot. The sun is very hot. See you. The hot. The sun is very hot already. Anyway guys, happy Thursday. Almost weekend again. Tomorrow is Friday. Enjoy your day. End of the month of February. The March is coming. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment and suggestion. Of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.